There has been a ton of interest in this little bag. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I am Jen, and I am with the Dress Up Your Purse Le Petit Paris 15. This is the smaller version of the original Paris 15 bag, which is very similar to the Pochette Métis by Louis Vuitton. And this one more closely resembles the Pochette Métis East West bag, which retails for around $3,000. This one is definitely a luxe for less version. And just a quick disclaimer, I am a Dress Up Your Purse affiliate. I purchased this myself with my own money, and I think it's genuinely a great bag. So I've had a lot of questions on Instagram, and I'm seeing a lot of people talking about this bag. Oh, and by the way, Melody from Dress Up Your Purse has just released this for pre-orders in quite a few different colors. Originally, it came in black, buttercream, navy, and this is brown. And I know the studio lights make it look a little bit orangey in person. I would say it's not quite as orange as it might appear on the screen. So she now has it in gray, burgundy, dusty pink, and lavender. And I think the colorways are really beautiful. And you can also save 15% off of your orders at Dress Up Your Purse with my code Sewing Report. I know it's a little bit confusing. My other channel is called Sewing Report, so I just wanted to do one discount code. You can find my link in the description box and save 15%. So I want to talk a little bit about mod shots. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on my body, show you a few different ways that you can wear the bag. I think it is very versatile, and I also like that you can really dress it up or down. So it has an S-lock on the front, it's got a top handle, back pocket, it's about 9 inches across, it's about 5.5 inches tall, and I would say it's about a little under 3 inches deep. So it's a great bag, and it came with 2 straps. So it comes with a leather adjustable strap, and it comes with a guitar strap. So the first way you can wear it, you can just do a little top handle action. It sort of looks like a mini briefcase. I think it's very cute. You can sort of like carry it like this if you wanted to, or as a clutch. So those are just 2 ways. Top handle, and then you could also do clutch like this. This is the adjustable leather strap, and it has these snaps, so I like that quite a bit. So let me put this on the bag. Here it is on the shortest setting, and check it out. Looks really cute, kind of cash, you get what I'm saying here? This is probably how I would mostly carry the bag. And for reference, I'm a little under 5'4". This is a very neutral color, and I think it would go with most outfits. Now I'm gonna adjust the strap, and we'll wear it crossbody. If you don't care if it snaps, this is really the longest the bag can go. So here it is. This is probably a little bit long for me, but you get the idea. Here it is on the back here. I'm gonna adjust it again and make it a little bit shorter. Okay. So here's where you can snap it. Here's shoulder carry. You can also let it go to the back like this, and you can do crossbody very easily. This is probably the length I prefer crossbody here. So you can see front here, get in and out very easily here, go to the back here. And you can also add a chain strap. This is one I got from Coach Outlet. It's the chunky gold chain strap. And we'll just attach this right here. There are many different gold chains. Dress Up Your Purse also sells some as well. Here's how it looks with the chain. Isn't this super cute? And we're back at the shoulder length. Check this out. It just adds a little bit of something extra when you have the chain on it. You can also carry it with the chain as a shoulder strap if you want something a little edgy here. This is just an inexpensive resin chain strap I got from Target. So let's add this for a little pizzazz. How about this? Super cute. Let's wear this as a shoulder carry. Here's the bag with just a chain strap. This is actually pretty cute. I think I like this look. We also have the guitar strap option, so let's see what this looks like. That's one good thing about this strap is that you can make very small adjustments. So I'm gonna tighten this up just a bit. I'm kind of a short stack, so this works for me. This is shoulder carry, and this is cotton webbing. One thing I do like about this strap is some of the nylon or polyester straps tend to be a little bit stiff. This one is pretty soft, so it's very comfortable on the shoulder. Actually, if you tighten this a little bit, you could probably wear it more as like a belt bag. Let's try that out. Here we go. All right. I'm actually kind of loving this as a belt bag. What do you think? And let's add the chain back. I'm kind of liking this. All right, I'm going to turn this into a crossbody here. This is a pretty good length for me crossbody. All right, let's turn it to the back here so you can see what this looks like. I just got to say, I am absolutely loving the versatility of this bag. I think it's a pretty solid value for the money for a real leather bag. You can also add tons of different bag charms, keychains, whatever you want. Dress it up, dress it down. It fits pretty much everything you need just as a daily carry if you travel kind of light. Oh, and by the way, the new version of the bag is a little bit different. Mine has a cotton suede lining. The new versions that will be in the next round of pre-orders have a leather fiber lining, and the lock has been upgraded to a stainless steel material. So there is a bit of a price difference from the original version to the new and upgraded version, just so you know. Also, Dress Up Your Purse is coming out with colors all the time, new products. I have several different items from Dress Up Your Purse, and they have a lot of more affordable alternatives to luxury items. So check out the website, and again, use my code SewingReport for 15% off. I also have a few other videos here on the channel of other Dress Up Your Purse items I have reviewed and tried out. So I hope you found this helpful. I will see you again in the next video. I am Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel.